We have 54 beds that we rent out to community members. Those members are allowed to grow whatever they want to grow. And then we have our production beds. And the food that we grow in these beds here, we will donate that produce to folks in need. So what this looks like now, it looks like not a lot is going on right now, but there's a lot going on under the soil because I do have seeds planted, onions, garlic, I got some greens planted, some spinach, some kale, and I'm going to plant out another bed here later on today. We have 4 pillars in our mission statement. The first one is increasing access to healthy food. The second pillar is we want to provide educational opportunities to learn organic food production. The third pillar is promoting physical activity and health. And then the last pillar is just creating this green space where our neighbors can come and commune, interact with their environment. I think the way our food system is set up right now in this country is lacking in terms of just the food being nutritious. There's been several studies done showing that food being grown now, in terms of produce, that the nutritional content has been depleted because the soils are depleted. So part of our, what we intend to do here is teach gardeners the importance of soil, how to keep your soil healthy, and then in doing that, when you have healthy soil, you have healthy produce, you have healthy fruits and vegetables. We have gardeners from all walks of life, young and old. Some have experienced gardening, some don't. And it's in those moments where those gardeners can share, garden stories, share information about gardening that helps us build community. If you're looking to do this in your own neighborhood, one of the first things you want to do is identify the land that you want to utilize or start a community garden on, and find out who owns that land. And then once you find out who owns that land, that's the person you contact to find out if you can utilize that land. And then once you get permission to utilize the land, you don't want to go at this mission alone. You want to recruit people within the community where you're trying to build a garden, get their support, get their input. When I got out the military, I was looking for my next mission in life. I was looking for, a new purpose. I was looking to reinvent myself. So yeah, this garden is definitely, mission oriented for me. And I don't get paid to do this. This is something that, I love doing, and it inspires me, it motivates me, and here I am.